Hey everyone, it's me Shomi and welcome to my channel. Today I have two very interesting skincare products to share with you all. They will be very helpful for our skin hydration, skin moisturization in this winter. One is goat milk malai soap, that is for dry to super dry and sensitive skin, and another one is rose mist. Everyone can use that is for all skin types. Before starting off, I must tell you that these products are pure. Pure means only pure. Like rose mist has only steam distilled water of rose petals, nothing else. Not only they are paraben or sulfate free, but also 100% chemicals and preservative free. They are naturally made. Actually, they are free from all types of synthetic. No added fragrance or perfume. This brand use only unique natural aromatic blend of essential oils for long lasting protection. Stay with me throughout the video. I'll keep on sharing more to give you a very clear picture like why I am telling you that these products are genuinely pure, not only for the just namesake.
Snana is 100% certified organic Indian brand.
Now I have dry skin and in winter a well moisturized skin cleanser is really required. So I chose this goat milk malai soap. Generally I don't prefer soap, but goat milk and other oils keep skin moisturized and well hydrated.
Let's have a close look of the packaging. It's so luxurious. This is the wooden container for the soap. Leftover wooden pieces have been used to make this case. Soap was wrapped in this paper. It's something like butter paper.
I always use the product before giving the review so that I can share a genuine one with you all.
The case has also a very prominent and natural fragrance. Even you can smell it from a distance.
At the back you will find the complete ingredient list. Please refer the whole list for any known allergies, and I would always recommend that do a patch test if you are using for the first time for any unknown allergies.
Along with goat milk and malai, there are coconut oil, castor oil, cocoa butter, avocado butter, olive oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, almond oil, apricot oil, and so many good things. No chemicals remain in the finished product. This is how it looks, totally natural. The foam is really very creamy. But please take care that the fragrance is natural and very strong. So those who are allergic to fragrance, they may find it little difficult. If you keep it in your bathroom, it works as a bathroom freshener even. This soap is 100% natural, handmade with traditional technique. Goat milk is AH rich, pH balanced, and therefore healthy and nourishing for skin. Avocado butter treat dry skin, improves skin elasticity, and prevents skin damage. Almond oil treats dry skin and reduces the appearance of scars, whereas coconut oil hydrates skin, reduces inflammation, and increases collagen production. Even it lightens dark patches around chin, lips, and nose caused by dryness.
Now the nutrition needs of our body change with age, and so does the need of our skin. The best part is, unlike other brands, they have not only skin type wise products, but they also have age wise customized skincare range. Ranges starting from baby, that's 0 to 2 years, toddlers 2 to 12, and then teenagers, young adults, and for olders more than 60 years also. The brand has skincare, health, and wellness products for everyone in the family. Now I want to remind you all that subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all upcoming videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video.
This is Snana Rose Mist. Wow, the bottle is really self-pampering. Product packaging is either glass or wood. I really admire them for using no plastic. It's absolutely environment friendly. It has cap like this. Let me spray a little. It is so pure, it has no color, and fragrance is like just pure rose, nothing else. And texture is just like water. It's not oily, it's not sticky. Even after some time, you cannot feel that if you have applied anything or not. It's so weightless.
I want to share with you all that they have their own traditional distillery to make essential oils and herb waters like rose, lavender. Likewise, they make cold pressed oils also. These ingredients like rose water, coconut oil, hemp seed oil are edible also. That is, you can apply as well as you can consume. So whatever we can eat is definitely very safe for our skin also, right?
And the best thing is the brand has a deep-rooted connection with farmers across India to source fresh and quality dry herbs, nuts and seeds, etc. Products are not only free from parabens or petroleum-derived ingredients, but the brand is absolutely free from the known safe chemicals also. Snana believes in avoiding multiple stages of processing of ingredients to retain its nutrient value and natural aroma. I sprayed this one before applying my makeup for hydration, and now after makeup also I keep on spraying like in 2 to 3 hours whenever I feel that my skin is becoming dry or I need some freshness, so I just spray it. I can say that I just keep handy. The aroma is nothing rosy, actually nothing fancy, whatever you can get from any product in the market called rose water or rose mist, nothing like that, but it's a genuine rose smell. If you take a handful of rose petals and rub it, and the fragrance you get is the exactly same of it. I just love this product and I would really recommend it to you all. So you can check out their website and decide according to your age and skin type, and this is for both men and women. I'll put the link in the description box. Their products are also available on Amazon and Tata Click. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with something new. Bye.